January 1st, 2026. Lucas wakes up early.
No investments. No assets.
Just a job and a quiet fear that he's already behind. And that fear isn't loud. It doesn't scream. It whispers. It follows him in the shower, in traffic, during meetings. It shows up when he sees someone younger buying a house, starting a business, talking about financial freedom like it's normal. The news is loud.
AI replacing jobs.
Interest rates high. Housing impossible. He feels stuck. But what really scares him isn't the headlines. It's the possibility that nothing changes. That 5 years pass. 10 years pass. And he's still here. Still tired. Still trading time for security that never feels secure. Most people freeze here. They assume the game is rigged. But here's the uncomfortable truth. The system is hard, but not impossible. And the people who win play a different game. They don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. And that difference is invisible at first, which is why most people never notice it. Lucas opens his banking app. Negative net worth. He wants to invest.
Crypto. Stocks.
Something. He scrolls through social media. Everyone looks ahead. Everyone looks confident. It feels like he missed the starting line years ago. But every month, the same payments return. Credit cards.
Loans.
Quiet pressure. He realizes something. He isn't investing. He's leaking. Sarah's voice is calm. Lucas, you don't build wealth while standing on quicksand. Her tone isn't judgment. It's clarity. And clarity is uncomfortable because it removes excuses. If you understand this, you change your financial life. Step 1 isn't investing. It's removing the anchor. High-interest debt is negative compounding. Paying it off is a guaranteed return. Here, money works for you. Months pass. Debt disappears. For the first time in years, Lucas checks his bank without tension in his chest. But something strange happens. The silence feels unfamiliar. He almost misses the chaos, because stress had become his identity. But instead of relief, Lucas feels anxiety. What if something breaks? Sara smiles. Now you build stability. The emergency fund isn't boring. It's freedom. It's the difference between reacting and deciding, between panic and patience, between being forced to sell and choosing when to act. When the market crashes, you don't panic. You wait. This is the kind of thing rich people do differently. They buy time. And time multiplies every other advantage. Now Lucas invests. Not in exciting stocks. Not in hype. He buys boring index funds. Automated. Consistent. It feels slow. But the numbers grow. And slowly something else grows too. Confidence. Not loud confidence. Quiet confidence. The kind that doesn't need validation. While others chase dopamine, Lucas builds momentum. Sara leans forward. Most people focus on saving. Winners focus on earning. Lucas learns new skills. Negotiates. Raises his income. Everything accelerates. Because income is fuel. And once the machine is built, more fuel creates exponential outcomes. 1 year later, nothing looks dramatic. But everything feels different. Lucas isn't trapped anymore. The system didn't change. He did. And this is where most people stop. But this is actually where real wealth begins. Ownership. Leverage. Freedom. Let's simplify money today. If you want the exact roadmap to your first $100,000, subscribe. Because here, money works for you. And in the next video, we'll break down the hidden wealth ladder most professionals never see until it's too late.